I'm Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to deep clean your crock pot. Alright, so first of all, you will need 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dish soap, and finally some tap water. So this is my slow cooker, and as you can see inside, it's really nasty. It's got all this caked on food that even though I scrubbed and scrubbed, it's just really hard to take it off. So I definitely need to deep clean it today. So that's what I'm gonna do. So to start, we need to grab some tap water. And we need to pour it inside the crock pot. And I like to fill mine almost to the top. Just be sure that you're being careful and that it doesn't overflow. Next, we will pour in 1/4 of a cup of baking soda. And then we will pour in 1/4 of a teaspoon of dish soap. And I'm just gonna use this spoon to mix everything together. And then I will set my slow cooker for 4 hours on high. And then put the lid back on and just wait. Alright, so 4 hours have passed. We have this nasty juice that has all the particles of whatever was caked on in the walls of my crock pot. So after that, what I did is I placed it very, very carefully on the sink. I definitely used some cloths just so that I wouldn't burn myself. And then I will just pour out all of the nasty juice that was inside of my slow cooker. And if you wanted to take a closer look, this is what was inside my slow cooker. Super, super gross. Next, I will use some more dish soap. Pour it inside the slow cooker pot. And add some water. And then it's time to scrub, but don't worry, this will be very simple because the hard job was already done by the baking soda and the dish soap. And I do want to tell you, be very careful because this slow cooker pot is just very, very hot, so you don't want to burn yourself. Then you want to rinse it with cold water. After that, make sure you dry it off completely. And then it's time to put it back in place. So guys, this is what my slow cooker looked before this. And this is what it looks like now. So it's looking super clean and it's ready for me to cook another yummy meal. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for today. I truly hope this was really helpful, and you probably noticed that this video is a bit different than my other videos, which are more just related to beauty. But the thing is, I am a stay-at-home wife, so cleaning crock pots and doing laundry is part of my reality. It's part of my everyday, so that's why now and then you might see videos like this that are more about home stuff, but in general, you will keep seeing just the regular videos. And if you want to stay tuned to Classy Files, then don't forget to give a like to Classy Files' Facebook page. Anyway, girls, I hope you have a really good rest of the weekend, and I'll see you next time.